Guys, I'm so blown away by this new time scale right here because this thing is incredible. Now, not only does it have customizable lighting so that you can select what effects you want, but it also gives you tons of pixel art animations with a large community that's continuously updating their designs. This thing is really cool because you can place it by your desk, or you can even place it on a shelf and it's really going to pop out and give it that retro flair. So guys, if you want to pick this up right now, I've already dropped the link for you down below.